Namaskar friends. In today's video, I will be sharing my current weekly meal planning, which is tuned for summers and heavily based on the seasonal supply, especially my favorite mangoes. Usually at this time of a year, we all crave for quenchers and kuch thanda items. Due to hot weather, we all like to avoid spending long hours in the kitchen. And that's where meal planning is helpful. Some of the meal planning like washing and storing veggies, chopping, etc. is always part of meal prep and done throughout the year. I have made several videos on meal prepping and you can check out the meal prep playlist in the description box. In today's video, I am sharing what's different and special things I am doing during this summer. Let's get started. One of the amazing things about summers is mangoes. I'm so happy to include them as part of our drinks. I am making Panna concentrate and enjoy it almost every day. For this, I have taken 2 mangoes and pressure cooked them with 2 whistles. In another pan, I have taken 1 cup sugar and 2 cup water and boiled it till it becomes chashni like this. The skin is removed from the mangoes and pulp is kept in a bowl. Now to this I have added pink salt, pepper powder, jeera powder and chaat masala and mixed well. Fresh mint leaves are added in the mix and I have grinded everything to paste. Now I have added this mix into the chashni and cook for about 10 minutes to make it thick. Let it cool and the concentrate is ready. Bottle it and label it. It easily lasts for a month in the fridge. When needed, pour some concentrate, ice cubes and water. Garnish it with sliced raw mangoes and mint leaves and your instant refreshing Panna is ready. Another drink which is in big demand in my house and we really enjoy these days is Masala Lemonade. It is nothing but fresh lime soda with special masala. To make lemonade masala, I have taken a small container and added 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon pink salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon jeera powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix everything well and masala for masala lemonade is ready. So simple. With this mix, you can make masala lemonade anytime. Now let's see the drink prep. Take some fresh mint leaves and crush them a bit. Take a glass and add the mint leaves in it. Now squeeze a lemon in it. Add sugar to taste and 1 spoon fresh lemonade masala. Add a couple of ice cubes and pour club soda. Mix it well. Garnish it with lemon slice and mint leaves. Thanda yummy masala lemonade is ready to be served. Summers also means watermelon time. Summers can result in loss of appetite. Sometimes I replace my one major meal, which is mostly lunch, with only fruits. That means no grains at lunchtime. Since these big fruits can't be consumed in one go, I cut them in big chunks and store them in glass container in the refrigerator. Having soothing cut fruits always available in the fridge Also lowers the chances of picking up any unhealthy food when hungry. But if you don't like this way, you may cut them fresh. If cut melons are available, you can instantly make refreshing juice, which is again a great refreshing drink for summers. In my last video on snacks meal prep, I had shared that these days I am loving homemade jams. In winters, I enjoyed homemade strawberry and apple jam, and now I love having mango jam with my toast. And it is very simple to make. I've sliced and cut some good juicy mangoes, coarsely grinded with the help of a chopper. In a pan, I added mangoes and 1 cup sugar and cooked for 15-20 minutes till it became thick. Frequent stirring is important to avoid it sticking to the bottom of the pan. Lastly, add half a lemon juice, which works as a natural preservative and enhances the taste. Let it cool before transferring to a storage container. It can be consumed for a month if kept in the refrigerator. बढ़िया ताज़ा and tasty mango jam तैयार हो गया. I enjoy it with my toast for breakfast or with evening tea. I also keep mango pulp ready in the freezer. Just take the mango pulp and pour it in this kind of silicone ice cube tray. It will turn into mango cubes like this. It is very helpful when I have a busy day and I quickly want to make milkshake or smoothie. I just take out a couple of mango cubes and add them in milk or curd and make instant mango shake or mango lassi with it without any tamjham. It is a great hack if you have a busy schedule and you have the need for speed. The same can be enjoyed as mango candy as well. Kids love it. It tastes delicious. I also keep cut raw mangoes with peels and without peels in the fridge to enjoy different recipes throughout the week. If cut mangoes and fresh mint leaves are available, then I make chutney with this, which we enjoy throughout the week with different recipes. बहुत ही टैंगी एंड टेस्टी चटनी बनती है इससे. I've tried instant mango pickle in just 5 minutes by first frying mango pieces in the mustard oil. Added some salt, red chili powder and achar masala in it. Recipe for instant achar masala is given in the description box. I mixed it well, allowed it to cool before transferring to a glass container. I enjoy it with meals throughout the week. Cut raw mangoes can be added in jhalmuri or in the sprout salad, and believe me, they taste yum. With finely chopped mangoes, I make mango rice. This is exactly like lemon rice, except lemon is replaced by grated raw mangoes here. It tastes super yummy. We enjoy it with instant mango pickle, sprout and mango salad, and plain curd. Little thoughts into meal planning according to the seasonal availability can enrich cooking, and our taste buds absolutely love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.